Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. I just pray to God that each one of you achieve all your goals, may all your dreams come true and you guys have a wonderful life ahead. So today is 20th October and we are celebrating Diwali today. I think India में भी सब आज ही करने वाले हैं. I am missing my family so much guys. दुबई में ना अगर आप बर दुबई साइड जाओ तो आपको फिर भी वाइब मिल जाएगा, बट दिस साइड in business bay, you know, it's nothing like that. Look, it's all like a normal day. But then I thought, let me just do a little bit of decoration and call, you know, one or two friends of mine for lunch, just like a casual lunch, just to have the vibe of Diwali. Although we guys had a great dinner a few days back at my friend Shipra's home, somebody I really look up to. तो मैं उसकी भी क्लिपिंग्स डालूंगी. हमने बहुत फन किया और अभी मैं थोड़ा सा घर डेकोरेट करने वाली हूँ और थोड़ा सा रेडी होने वाली हूँ. सो आई एम गोना शेयर ऑल दैट इन दिस ब्लॉग. रेस्ट गाइज, मिसिंग इंडिया, मिसिंग फैमिली. आई लव मॉम, डैड, वरुण, महक, दीदी, जीजू, किड्स, सायरा, सानवी, सुमारा. मिसिंग एवरीबडी सो मच. But anyways, you know, it's a great day today, so let's light a lot of candles and diyas, and most importantly, let's spread a lot of love. And I just got ready for the lunch. Let me just show you the little bit decor that I've done for the lunch. So let me take you to the lobby. Come, I'll show you. Not much that I've done, but see, we put these lights. Can you see? These lights we just put here. I think in the night they'll be more visible. Happy Diwali everyone. Time to do the puja now. So happy Diwali to each one of you. Love you all. Hi guys, so I think you already saw my decor and the Diwali puja. So after the puja we have come to our friend's home, Shipra and Karan, and you know they have this beautiful home and the love and everything. They're so warm. I love coming back to their house. I just want to show the decor they have done. It is so beautiful. Also I got to meet Reema Sen, the actress who was in Dhoom. She's such a humble girl. And you know, it was so wonderful meeting her. By the way, let me just show you the decor now. This is so pretty what she's done. And you know, the best thing, she has done it all herself. It is so beautiful. Look at it. They have a beautiful house in Dubai. and this is how you exit the home. He made a rangoli here also. By the way, this is the same home we had come for the Diwali party where we had a lot of fun. And moving on. So pretty, yeah. So beautiful. And back to me. So how was your Diwali, guys? I hope you all had fun and you were with your families. Honestly, many of you are whatever age you guys are are so fortunate that you still are with your families on your Diwali. Sometimes you don't even value till the time you're not with them. And this time I really realized that how important it is to actually have gratitude that you are with your family right now, with your friends right now in your own country. I'm not complaining. I'm very, very happy to be in Dubai and having my new family. But definitely, you miss home. So guys, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, just be very, very grateful for what you have. Be very, very grateful for the place you are in, with the people you are with. Trust me, I think eventually everything falls into the place. Right now, you must be wondering why we are not, or I'm not there where I want to be, why things are not moving for me, why things are not happening for me. Can I say something? It might sound like Gyan. One day when you'll be there, these are the days you're going to miss the most. So cherish each and every moment and enjoy it, because God is eventually taking you there where you want to be. So on that note, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and soon I'll see you again the next week. And for the rest of the time, you can watch me on my Instagram. And thank you so much, and like and share and subscribe my channel. Happy Diwali!